Hey guys, so here is how to join Flocabulary. You go to flocabulary.com, click join a class, put in your class code, which I have posted on Google Classroom, click submit, and you'll click I'm new to Flocabulary, create my account. Go down here, click Google login, and then what you're going to want to do is put your Epic Charter School email in. And then once you've done that, then you have this. If you join my class, you'll see assignments up here. So then you can click on that, and it's going to say these are the assignments you have. You need to watch the video, do the vocab cards, do the read and respond, and then do the quiz. So it's all listed right here for you to do. So you'll just go through, do that, and then that's your assignment for the week.